Let's find the domain for this function. Fx equals the square root of 36 minus x squared. So for domain of underscore, we shouldn't have negative numbers. Okay? To find out where we have negative numbers, first we take the 36 minus x squared equal to 0. Okay. To solve this, it's clear that when we put 6 in place of x, 6 squared is equal to 36. 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to positive negative 6. Okay? The domain for this function could be any number less than 6 and more than negative 6. So the domain is equal to x, where it is more than or equal to negative 6 and less than or equal to 6. Why? Because if we take 7 for example, 7 is not in the domain. So the function must be undefined in 7. Let's check for 7. The square root of 36 minus 7 squared is equal to the square root of 36 minus 49. Then it will give us a negative number. So under square root shouldn't be negative. That's why 7 is not in the domain of this function. To find the domain for this function, it's fraction, so we should not get 0 under the fraction. So the denominator of any fraction shouldn't be 0. That's why we're taking the denominator, because up is 7. 7 is always fine. It doesn't have any problem with all the real numbers. So 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 10. Divide 2, divide 2. X is equal to 5. So the domain for this function is all the real numbers except 5.